On Wednesday, when everyone expected a churn in the AIDMK intra-party equations, a new development happened in the Tamil Nadu politics. DMK's senior leader and HRNCE Minister Shekhar Babu called on Makkal Needhi Mayyam President and actor politician Kamal Hassan at his residence at Alvarpet in Chennai. The meeting lasted only for a very few minutes, but it was a very cordial meeting. The reason being, Kamal offered a Rajya Sabha ticket by the DMK. Kamal Hassan is actually set to enter the Rajya Sabha through the DMK. After the 2024 election campaign for the DMK-led Alliance India Bloc in Tamil Nadu, Kamal Hassan had actually left for the US. He went to the US to shoot for Thug Life, a movie directed by director Mani Ratnam. And then he went to learn a 4-month course in AI techniques in cinema and filmmaking. Now Kamal Hassan is back in Chennai. After his return, Kamal Hassan is said to have had meetings with his party colleagues and reviewed the party strengths. He has had several meetings with his party office bearers. And today, Shekhar Babu, Minister for HRNCE, met him at his residence. Actually, the DMK and the MNM had entered into an agreement in 2024 before the Lok Sabha elections. The agreement was to offer a Rajya Sabha ticket to the Makkal Needhi Mayyam. This was because the DMK was not able to accommodate or offer tickets to the Lok Sabha for the Makkal Needhi Mayyam during the 2024 elections. So an agreement was entered into saying that a Rajya Sabha ticket will be offered when 6 seats fall vacant from Tamil Nadu in the Rajya Sabha in July this year. Earlier reports suggested that someone else from the Makkal Needhi Mayyam will get into the Rajya Sabha. But now sources say Kamal Hassan will himself get into the Rajya Sabha through the DMK ticket. In 2024, during the Lok Sabha polls, an agreement was entered into between the DMK and the Makkal Needhi Mayyam. During the Lok Sabha elections, Kamal Hassan said that he will not contest the Lok Sabha polls and he will campaign for the DMK-led India Bloc in Tamil Nadu. Kamal Hassan, who once strongly opposed the DMK and the DMK leadership, got close to Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and his son, Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi Stalin, after the success of his film Vikram. Vikram was a super hit in the box office and made a collection of rupees 414 crores worldwide. Vikram, directed by Lokesh Kanagaraj, was theatrically distributed by Red Giant Movies, the production house which is considered to be close to Udayanidhi Stalin. Vikram was a super hit and it gave a comeback for Kamal Hassan after a 6-year-long break in cinema. A total of 6 Rajya Sabha seats from Tamil Nadu will fall vacant in July this year. The terms of PMK leader Anbumani Ramadas, MDMK leader Vaiko, DMK's P. Wilson, M. Shanmugam and M. Muhammad Abdullah and also AIDMK's Chandrasekhar will come to an end in July this year. Of the 6 seats, 4 will be claimed by the DMK and 2 will go to the AIDMK. In those 4 seats, the DMK will accommodate Kamal Hassan or anyone else from the MNM as per the agreement.